Let us take the next question, question number 2. A horizontal force P, as shown in figure, keeps the weight of 15 Newton in equilibrium. Find P and tension in the string. So here they have given us a diagram. In the previous problem, diagram was not there. Again, we have to calculate the value of horizontal force and tension in the string. Let us try to solve this problem. Here two things are unknown. We have to calculate T and we have to calculate P. The diagram which they had given, this is the diagram which is given, where we are having load W acting downward, which is 50 Newton. Load P is towards horizontal, towards right, and tension in the string. Here T and P need to be calculated. So I'll write down solution. First I will draw the FBD. Drawing FBD, that is free body diagram for given problem. I'll say that how to draw the FBD. First of all, you will remove the ceiling. Here is the tension in the string. Inclination with, we can say, horizontal and tension, that is 60. Next, if I draw a horizontal line, even this angle would be 60. If this is 60, the remaining is 120 degree. So here I have this angle as 120 degree. I hope you all have understood this. Then the remaining angle between T and W, that is 90 degree. If I add both of them, I would be getting it as 210 and this angle would be 150. So since I have all the angles, I have located all the forces, FBD free body diagram gets completed. Since there are three concurrent forces, so I can apply Lami's theorem. I can write down, if I take start with T upon sine of angle I have to take between W and P, that is 90, sine 90. If I take P, I have to write down sine of angle between T and W, which is 150 degree. If I take W, I have to write the angle between T and P, which is sine 120 degree. So here I have written Lami's theorem. Now whatever is asked, I can easily find out. I'll say that therefore T will be equal to W sine 120 and this sine 90 I'll send on the other side. Means I'm utilizing this equation. Hence T will be equal to W, it is 50 upon sine 120 into sine 90. If I calculate all terms carefully, I will get my answer. The first one of T, that comes out to be 57.74 Newton. So capital T is 57.74 Newton. My first answer. Next, I have to calculate the value of P. I can say that also P will be equal to W sine 120 into sine 150. W divided by sine 120 into sine 150. Hence P is equal to W is 50 if I calculate all the terms here, I will get my answer of capital E, and that comes out to be 28.87 Newton. So that's my second answer. So if I look at the question, there were two questions which were asked. First, to calculate the tension in the string, that T value is 57.74 Newton, calculated. Second question was to find the value of horizontal force capital P, which is 28.87 Newton. That is also done. With this, we have completed the second problem.